Hey Dave's Roadies, welcome to another Dave's Rest Stop video. Today, we're going to ride the Hershey Park Monorail in Hershey, Pennsylvania. We'll be riding the monorail that goes around the amusement park known as Hershey Park, as well as just a slight part of the town of Hershey. We'll also listen to the narration that goes through some of the things that are going on in Hershey Park. However, before we go on this ride, you know the drill. Be sure to chokeslam the like button for this video, leave a comment, and share it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to know when I post new videos. Don't forget to check out all my social media links, which are listed in the description below. And last but not least, if you want to support my channel, please visit me on PayPal.
Well, we party. Oh, look, the door is closed. Where are we going?
Right here, this is the main track.
Monorail.
Here we go. Six Flags was like the ride, yeah, but it's like the game too, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. It's right here. Base on.
Hello, and welcome aboard the Capital Blue Cross Monorail at Hershey Park. With Capital Blue Cross, you have the security of a name trusted for more than 80 years. And of course, it opens doors in all 50 states. Live fearless, because Capital Blue Cross is behind you for whatever lies ahead. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. For your safety, we ask that you remain seated. Keep your head in and out inside the car during the entire ride, and refrain from smoking. Today we will travel 10 miles an hour, offering you panoramic views of Hershey Park. To your right, you'll see some of the posters
We already watched.
First, we talk the highest point in Hershey Park. The focal point of this area is the 340-foot kissing tower attraction.
There's the waste.
Rotating observatory
That's the observatory.
offers magnificent views of the town of Hershey.
Oh, you can go in
Cabin
there.
windows are shaped like our world-renowned Hershey's Kisses, first manufactured here in 1907. Speaking of Hershey's products, there's many wonders of chocolate at Hershey's Chocolate World attraction, featuring the Hershey's Chocolate Tour, the Eat Your Own Candy Bar attraction, and the one-of-a-kind interactive 4D show, Hershey's Great Chocolate Factory Mystery.
So Tuesday, we'll come the other way.
Hershey Entertainment and Resorts and the Hershey Company are proud to help fulfill the dream of our mutual founder, Milton S. Hershey, by providing value to Milton Hershey School, the largest home and school in the world, as it continues to provide opportunities for children in need.
Trolley we did over there.
We are now passing the site of the original Hershey's Chocolate Factory,
Look at that.
started by our founder Milton Hershey in 1905. Today, the Hershey Company is the leading North American manufacturer of quality chocolate and non-chocolate confections. Below us, you'll see Zoo America, a year-round 11-acre walk-through zoo, home to more than 200 animals from 5 regions of North America. The zoo began when Milton Hershey received prairie dogs as a gift. Zoo America is committed to the conservation
Oh, look, there's a bear over there. Look at that.
Where's the bear?
We missed him. We already missed him.
Initiatives we have established and implemented to ensure species survival and habitat maintenance. Entry is included in your one price admission. Enter through the bridge connecting Hershey Park and Zoo America.
Oh, yeah, you're right. There's wolves right there.
We are now entering the Pioneer Frontier region. Ahead, you will see Trailblazer Roller Coaster and Rival Railroad. Two rides perfect for the whole family to enjoy. Hershey Park truly has something for everyone. Whether it's a refreshing time at the Boardwalk Water Park or an exciting day of coasters and rides, the Hershey Park is not the perfect for summer fun. Come back for unlimited visits the rest of the year when you upgrade your ticket to a season pass for one low price. Enjoy coasters, fun, and Hershey Park coffee during Halloween and Christmas. Hershey Park in the dark and Hershey Park Christmas candy lanes seasonal events.
So here's the little beer garden. We've been fun this far yet. This is the side we haven't done yet. This is on the new side. That one's got a loop up there.
In summer of 2020, Hershey Park is unlocking an all-new chapter, Hershey's Chocolate Town, the place where fun meets chocolate in more ways than ever before. Hershey's Chocolate Town will be a new region at Hershey Park, where guests can play, eat, shop, and gather. In summer of 2020, Hershey Park is unlocking an all-new chapter, Hershey's Chocolate Town, the place where fun meets chocolate in more ways than ever before. Hershey's Chocolate Town will be a new region at Hershey Park, where guests can play, eat, shop, and gather. Then exit towards the rear of the platform. Thank you for riding the Capital Blue Cross Monorail. Stay connected with Capital Blue Cross on Facebook and Twitter. And enjoy your visit to Hershey Park. Capital Blue Cross. Live fearless.
Even Martin knew that.
I really hope you enjoyed this unique and relaxing ride that we found here at Hershey Park. More videos are coming your way, my roadies. Until next time, laters.